12, the Northeast India. So, where is the Northeast India? See this picture. In this picture, northeast, the east side, there are lots of area, a lot of area. This area is called northeast of India. Here some states are situated. Those states are known as the northeast part of India or northeast region of India. In northeast India, there are 7 main states. 7 main states. How many states are there?
No, ma'am.
How many states are there? In northeast, how many states are there?
Ma'am, got the number page?
Page number 55. Dimple, how many states are there in northeast? In northeast India, there are 7 states. So how many states are there in North India? Northeast India? Okay, 7 states. Those are number 1, Arunachal Pradesh. Number 2, Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Nagaland, Mizoram and Tripura. You have to remember the name of 7 states. The 7 states are also called 7 sisters. Just like 7 sisters, they are also called 7 sisters. The 7 states are called known as 7 sisters. These 7 sisters are relatively explored the whole northeast part of India. They are mainly famous because in this area the forest part is huge. Okay, so huge forest part is also referred this place. There are lots of wildlife we can see there. Rhinos, elephants, different type of birds can be seen here. So this area is famous for wildlife areas. The northeast part is bounded by Bhutan in west, northwest Bhutan, China at the east, China in the north, Myanmar in the west, Bangladesh in the south. Okay, and Assam is the gateway of this area because Assam joined the northeast part to the other or rest of the part of the India. So Assam is called the gateway of India because it joins the rest of Indian part to the northeast part. So it is called the gateway of India. See the chart. Okay. There are the 7 states of Northeast India and here the capital of them. You have to remember them. Okay? Just like Assam's capital is Dispur, Arunachal's capital is Itanagar, Meghalaya's capital is Shillong, Manipur's capital is Imphal, Mizoram's capital is Aizawl, Nagaland's capital is Kohima and Tripura's capital is Agartala. You have to remember the 7 states and the capital of them. What are the famous places of these areas? So, there are 7 states. Among them, Assam is known as the gateway of this area. Assam, the Guwahati is a big city of Assam. Okay, in this place we can see in Assam there are mainly two main famous national park. One is Kaziranga and the other is Manas. So among the Kaziranga and Manas is famous for one-horn bison. one-horned elephant, Asian elephant. Actually, one-horned elephant, rhinos, such as rhinos, Asian elephants, is famous of this place. That is mainly found in Manas National Park. In Manas, the UNESCO declared Manas as the World Heritage Site. Kamakha, in Guwahati, there is a famous temple named as Kamakha. The Kamakha temple is of 2020 years old. That is too much to say. Next is Arunachal Pradesh. We can learn about Assam. Now we moved to Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh is known as the land of rising sun. So, which state is known as land of rising sun? Which state is known as land of rising sun? Sneha. Which state is known as land of rising sun? Can you tell me, Sneha?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me which state is known as land of rising sun? I just have learned you that.
Yeah, ma'am.
Which state is known as land of rising sun? Dimple. Tell me which state is known as land of rising sun? Of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. It is a beautiful place where wildlife sanctuaries, Eta Fort, the State Museum, Ganga Lake, Polo Park, etc. can be found. The largest Buddhist monastery of India is situated in this state, the Arunachal Pradesh, where the name of this monastery is Tuang Monastery. This Tuang Monastery is situated in Tawang. Tawang Monastery is situated in Tawang town.
Ma'am, page number?
Page number 55. Now we are learning page number 56. Page number 55 had already learned. We had completed page number 55. Go to page number 56. Meghalaya. What does the mean of Meghalaya? Meghalaya means the adop of clouds. Okay. Meghalaya means the adop of clouds. 1/3 of the states are covered with forest. This is known as the biodiversity animal place. Moshin-Ram, just remember the name Moshin-Ram is famous for precipitation, where the highest rainfall is happen in the world. So the wettest place in the world is Moshin-Ram, where the highest rainfall will happen. Kohima is located in Nagaland. Nagaland is a beautiful place where Dimapur, the entry point of states, other Mokangchung and some other places are situated. Kohima, that means the place Nagaland is famous for trekking and campaigning because it has a good height. The height of Kohima is 1500 meter above the sea level. Come to the next point, that is Manipur. Manipur means a jeweled land. A jeweled land. It is popularly known as the Switzerland of India. So, which is the Switzerland of India? The answer will be Manipur. Dimple, tell me which is the Switzerland of India? Which is the Switzerland of India? Different type of visiting place, just like Bishnupur, Ukhrul, Senapati, etc. These famous place of there. These are some famous place of Manipur. So today I am going to end this class here. In next class we will going to finish the whole chapter. Okay. Bye bye for today.
Bye, ma'am.